Hi everyone. So first I'd like to thank the Knowledge Transfer Network for the opportunity to speak with you today, albeit virtually. My name's Chris Jackson from Esri UK. Esri is a global technology and services company with a singular focus on furthering geographic science to help governments, scientists, businesses and community organisations to better manage our world. Our software platform for delivering this is called ArcGIS. And I'm quickly going to outline why we believe that geospatial technology, or GIS, is a fundamental technology for climate action. It's arguably never been more important for us to rapidly understand what's going on where, why, and what to do about it. And I've used this slight adaptation of the knowledge hierarchy coined by Richard Saul Wurman as knowledge preceding action, to make the point that since geography is the science of our world, a geographic approach to the climate crisis gives us a unifying framework and context to understand the interconnectedness of everything, especially the relationship between the natural world and the man-made world. And it's therefore fundamental to how we understand, plan and act on this potential existential threat. The good news is that what we've seen in recent times is an evolution in the use of geospatial technology, from the traditional system of record for the storage, curation and analysis of geospatial content, to its use as a platform for collaboration. In this way, GIS is acting as a system of insight, giving a range of tools to different user communities to undertake a variety of tasks, as well as a system of engagement, a means of sharing information, knowledge and collaboration. Another evolution has been the rise of geospatial digital twins. Although we've actually been creating digital twins since the late 1960s, starting with the modelling of the natural world to now modelling human interaction with the natural world. Hence the emergence of geodesign and geobim, utility network and infrastructure modelling, to very advanced near real-time human movement modelling within a city information model. And these digital models are now incredibly powerful thanks to adjacent technologies like the Internet of Things, the sensor web, telematics, satellite imagery, machine learning and AI, modelling progressively from 2D to 3D, 4D and onwards. And again, the use of geography and mapping as that common context and framework to organise, interconnect and integrate all of these models is what enables more holistic understanding and faster decision making. That same geospatial knowledge infrastructure is, in the form of engagement hubs, also advancing the collaboration pattern between governments, organisations and citizens. It's opening up participation in the community. It's empowering citizens to do GIS themselves, leveraging community content and crowdsourcing. Again, using maps and digital information as a perfect vehicle to understand, analyse and plan collaboratively. And geospatial technology has never been easier to integrate, and interoperability is accelerating. Esri's system is designed to be open from the ground up, and we've been working to develop ways of ingesting massive volumes of real-time data, leveraging technologies like Kubernetes, and continuing to support the work of the Open Geospatial Consortium. So when we now turn to the global frameworks and tools that are already being used to help with climate change mitigation and adaptation, I hope you'll acknowledge that they're all deeply interconnected by geography. The 5 capital frameworks and the SDGs, for example, both designed to better help understand the interactions of human activity with the natural world. I particularly like this representation of the SDGs because it better illustrates that interconnectivity, better than a simple table anyway. Likewise, the success of the circular economy could depend upon the use of some form of geospatial digital twin or multiple integrated twins, because circularity relies upon stakeholder collaboration and engagement, along with the use of a standard framework and taxonomy for passing the information along, helping to create that continuous cycle. And since the circular economy is all about the movement of materials, goods and people, across a variety of networks of spaces and places, all deeply interconnected, well, I hope you'd also acknowledge or agree that a digital twin must be made geospatially aware. And finally, to some of the practical tools that are being used to plan, transform and measure organisational climate impact. All these likewise deeply interconnected by geography, and therefore would benefit from this same unifying framework for understanding and collaboration. And here's some great example of the successful use of geospatial technology and a geographic knowledge infrastructure in Glasgow, the host city of COP26. This is Glasgow's citizen engagement and open data sharing platform, enabling all their stakeholders to find and use key data sets about the city, contribute to development plans, and encourage participation between the council, local businesses and citizens. So with that, I thank you for your attention. I hope you have an enjoyable, successful and collaborative conference, and I'm just really sorry I can't be there to enjoy it with you. Thank you.